wanted to make a quick video how to put your motor mount in if you have a Ford or a Mercury. They call it something different, a transaxle mount or something like that. I usually call it a motor mount, but I've seen several different ways of putting this in. If you don't take the whole thing off, if you don't have a press, a lot of options you can take. One thing I did and I came up with is first I put two pieces of wood together and I C-clamped them, then slowly hammered it in. You know, that took forever. It barely moved, so I had to find a quicker way of doing it. That's when I came up with, since I didn't have a press to put it on with, I came up with this little style right here. Took me about 5 minutes to push that in. It's basically two strut stands. You can get them at your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's. Took two hex bolts, hex nuts, some washers on the end of it. Gonna take you about like 5 minutes to press that thing in. Don't go too fast, too hard, because as you can see, mine's bent, you know. So it really goes fast and hard. I hope that helps somebody and doesn't take them a day, 2 days to try to press that in with some C-clamps. All you need is that. All you need is two strut stands, some hex bolts, you know, an impact, in 5 minutes. I end up taking a bunch of stuff off to get to it, you know, just to have more access, you know, to it right here, so I can put these in there properly, you know, to have much more room. So yeah, that's an easy way of doing it. Instead of taking 4 or 5 hours, took 5 minutes.